to make sure the rich and famous don't get it first. We got to get to the people that need it most, and so far so good. And when the White House was rumored to be, and you got to think it's a seat of power, was rumored to be first on the list, the president quickly says, hey, I don't want to be first on the list unless you need me to. 55 of the 145 initial COVID vaccine shipments have been received. 3 million doses were sent to arrive at 145 different centers across the 50 states today. Listen to this. 425 sites getting shipments, and the remaining 66 on Wednesday. So many people said this would not happen and mocked the president for cheerleading that it would happen. But he knew the only way out of this, instinctively, was a therapeutic, find a way like this Regeneron, which seems like a magic cure, and along the way, get a vaccine to stop it in its tracks. He knew that shutting down the economy, shutting down business livelihoods, making everybody go remote and not go to school in person, the only answer would be to beat the illness, not run and hide from it. And that's what I think he instinctively knew. And that's why I think so many of the people who were saying that he was just trying to will it, he willed it, but he did it in an organized way. The man he put in charge was Brett Giroir. Now, he's not a medical person, but he was an organizer to make sure people were doing things right and quick. Cut to.
You know, I try to stay out of politics, but I've spent several months seeing this vaccine effort being discredited or minimized for political purposes and even downcast on the vaccination process. So I wouldn't underestimate anything that happens, but I can tell you, we have a plan to get all of America vaccinated by June. And that means 200 million vaccines out by the end of February and hundreds of millions more. If the next administration follows the plan that we have, continues to implement it, that's what's going to happen.
Yes, but Mr. Doom and Gloom, Joe Biden, it's going to be a long, dark winter. Look, we know what's going on. I don't need to be told it's going to be a long, dark winter. We know about the challenges. Our companies, we're only the bubble that we're in, whether it's personal or professional. I actually want somebody that's going to be pushing for answers, not wallowing in the mess, which is shutdown after shutdown, an overreaction, underreaction, and an illogical reaction that doesn't follow the data or the facts. This is a major move. What I was staggered about, and because I know I'm doing this show, I flipped to other channels. And it's amazing that MSNBC, CNN, ABC, and CBS talk about the amazing feats our medical community and biotech has come up with, going out of their way to not compliment President Trump, but to go right to what Joe Biden will be doing. I'll point to a poll where people think we're in the worst of the pandemic. Yeah, we have 300,000 people dying, most of which, doesn't make it right, are over 70. 45% are over 70. That is why we're shooting for nursing homes, getting them all done before Christmas. Here's the Federalist Ben Domenech. Cut 4.
As someone who previously worked at Health and Human Services under the Bush administration, I can tell you this is one of the most impressive things I think we've ever seen happen within the realm of health policy. Breaking down all the barriers necessary in order to achieve this is really the legacy of this administration, and they ought to be hailed for it. We have never seen something happen this fast when it comes to a novel virus of any kind. This is the normal. In a normal situation, you'd expect this to take 4 to 5 years, and yet they've been able to break it down. They've been able to make this miracle happen.
And it is a miracle. And I love this. Well, the Russians had a vaccine. China has a vaccine. Good luck with that. The Russians don't want their own vaccine. I've never heard of a vaccine being found and nobody lying about it. And China has the protocols to bring us their vaccine. Good luck with that, Brazil, or any other country that wants it for free. I would like something that goes through the rigors of our process. There's a reason why this is going to be the answer. And while Moderna on Friday will get millions upon millions of doses out, that's going to be the answer. AstraZeneca says 70% effective. You do 2 shots, it's 90% effective. They want to work out those kinks. That'll be next. Then Johnson & Johnson, just a single shot. That'll be next. It'll get better and better. What we need is help for businesses now because of these incredibly naive, politically minded mayors and governors. The shutdowns have been death to people's business and livelihoods, to their education. New York City's Mayor Bill de Blasio says New York City is prepared to shut down in full. Isn't that great? We were told shutdowns don't work. Kids are safer in school. But he says we should prepare for a full shutdown. Meanwhile, restaurants are defying the COVID-19 indoor dining, and they're picking a day, and they're just going to all open up at the same time, saying they can't take all of our licenses. I look for them to rally today at 11, and over the weekend in New York City, rally again. Staten Island leading that charge. They now are only allowed